Hey there, radicals! Are you ready to take up a new challenge? A challenge that will make you healthier, happier, and more in tune with nature? Welcome to the world of raw veganism, a lifestyle that combines the principles of veganism with the benefits of raw, unprocessed foods. This is all about the 21 Days Raw Challenge, a journey where you'll focus on living foods, especially fruits, and their immense benefits. This challenge is guided by the 26 laws of raw, but today, we're only going to delve into 3 of them. But before we proceed, it's important to note that I'm not a professional medical practitioner or nutritionist, and these recommendations are general guidelines. Everyone's health needs are unique, so remember to listen to your body and follow your intuition. Now, are you ready to get started? Let's dive into the first principle. Imagine waking up and taking an internal shower with fresh coconut water. This isn't just a refreshing way to start your day, but a fantastic means to flush out toxins and revive your system. The magic of coconut water is that it hydrates and energizes, while providing essential nutrients and electrolytes. Now, if coconuts are not readily available, don't fret. You can substitute coconut water with watermelon. Yes, watermelon. It's another hydrating fruit that can give a similar kickstart to your day. And if neither of these is an option, you can turn to other fruits in the melon family or high water content fruits like oranges. Room temperature distilled or spring water with a squeeze of lime or lemon juice will do. One thing to remember though, subtract coffee as your first morning drink. So remember, your day starts with an internal shower. Now let's move on to the second principle. Think about a morning filled with the sweet and refreshing tastes of fresh fruits. Picture yourself savoring juicy slices of watermelon, crunching on crisp apples, or relishing a smoothie made from your favorite berries. This delightful scenario is not just a dream, but a principle we encourage in our raw challenge: only fruits before noon. Fruits are nature's fast food, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are easily digestible, which means your body doesn't have to work as hard in the morning, leaving you feeling light and energetic. This principle doesn't limit you to solid fruits alone. Freshly squeezed fruit juices and fruit-based smoothies are also great choices. But what should you avoid? Let's rule out fried and starchy foods, hard and dry foods, cooked foods and meats, processed sugar, dairy, cereals, and processed snacks. These items tend to be harder to digest and can leave you feeling sluggish, so make your mornings a fruit fest. Now let's proceed to our final principle. Ever thought about how your body processes different types of food? It's fascinating, really. Proteins and starches, 2 major food groups, are processed in entirely different ways. Proteins begin their digestion journey right in the stomach, while starches get a head start in the mouth itself. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, when you eat protein and starch together, it can lead to an inefficient digestion process. This is because the different digestive enzymes required for each can interfere with each other, leading to less than optimal digestion and absorption of nutrients. So, what's the solution? Simple. Eat fruits by themselves. They are light, digest quickly, and provide a host of beneficial nutrients. Combine your proteins with vegetables and do the same with your starches. This way, you're aiding your body in the digestion process instead of hindering it. Remember, protein and starch are not the best mix. Now let's wrap up. Are you feeling inspired and ready to take on the 21 Days Raw Challenge? That's the spirit. This challenge is designed to guide you through your raw vegan journey, providing daily direction and a supportive community. To make the most of this experience, consider purchasing the 21 Days Raw Planner. This handy guide will help you keep track of your progress and inspire you with new ideas, but the journey doesn't have to end there. For year-round guidance and camaraderie, consider joining the Raw Fam membership on Patreon. This group is your dedicated support system, there to cheer you on every step of the way. And remember, this isn't just about what you eat. It's about embracing a whole new lifestyle. So why not learn to grow and prepare your own food at home? It's empowering, sustainable, and deeply satisfying. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, raw love my radicals.